Hi, welcome to my video on review 1 of linear word problems. This review is on the videos numbers 1 to 5. And as in all my reviews, you can treat it as a quiz. So there's 4 questions, so it's marked out of 4. So you do each question, give yourself a mark, put the total over 4, divide 4 into the numerator, convert it to a decimal, then move the decimal 2 places to the right to get a percent. Here we go. Let's review the linear word problems. The first word problem we're going to do is on integers. The sum of two integers is 60. The smaller integer is 28 less than the larger integer. Find the integers. So what we have to do is we have a smaller integer and a larger integer. So I'm going to let x be the smaller integer. And as a result, the first sentence, the sum of the two integers is 60. So I'm going to let 60 minus x be the larger integer. Put a dot there. Now, so the expressions that represent this comes out of this first sentence. Now, the second sentence, the smaller integer, so the smaller integer is 28 less than the larger. So the smaller integer is x, is equal sign. 28 less than the larger. So less than, you reverse it. So it's the larger, which is 60, subtract x, subtract 28. So there's the larger integer, take away 28, should give you the smaller. So let's solve this. So we have x equals negative x, and that gives me a negative. If you divide there, you get a negative. That's a positive 32. 60 subtract 28 is 32. So x plus x, move the x to the left side, and equals 32. So 2x equals 32. Divide by 2, x equals 16. So if x is 16, then we have 60 minus x. So 60 minus x is, x is 16, so 60 minus 16 equals 44. So the smaller integer, finalize it, the smaller integer equals 16, and the larger integer is 44. And let's see, check it out. Check, the sum of the two of them is 60. If you add them together, you get 60. And if you take 44, the larger integer, or the smaller one, is 28 less than. So we take 44 minus 28 gives you 16. Or if the smaller one is 28 less, that means the smaller one add 28 will give you the larger. So if you have 16 for the smaller, 44 for the larger, give yourself a mark. Let's do another problem. Find 3 consecutive odd integers if triple the second is 3 more than twice the third. So we have consecutive odd. Now just be careful. Odd integers. So what I sometimes do, I write down odd integers like 9, 11, and 13 are odd. Notice that you got a 9, so if you let that one be x, the 11 is 2 more. And the 13 is 4 more than the 9. So when you got odd integers, you have x, x plus 2, x plus 4. When you have even consecutive, you still have the same pattern, x, x plus 2, x plus 4. But if this is odd, you have to add 2 and add 4. If it's even, you still add 2 and add 4. Because if you've got an even integer 10, the next one is 12, the next one is 14. So it's all in what you started off the first one to be. So you let x be the first consecutive odd integer. and you let x plus 2 be, I'm going to use ditto mark, the second consecutive odd integer. And then I let x plus 4 be the third consecutive odd integer. So now I have them done. It says if you triple the second, so the second one, so if you triple the second one is 3 more than twice the third. So it's 3 more than, that means add on twice the third. So there's the third one. So that's twice the third, add 3. So we solve this equation, we get rid of the brackets. So we multiply 3 by x, 3 by 2, 2 times x, 2 times 4, add on 3. So 3x plus 6 equals 2x plus 11. The x's go to the left, and the numbers move to the right. So x equals 5. So if x is 5, let's find the next one. X plus 2. So that's 5 plus 2 is 7. X plus 4. So x is 5, so 5 plus 4 is 9. So the integers are 5, 7, and 9. So they're consecutive. And if you triple the second, that's, just check now, triple the second, so that's 21. And if you double, that's 21. And you double the third is 18, so that's 3 more. So 21 is 3 more than double the second, so it makes sense. And you give yourself a mark if you have that right. Okay, let's do another one. Again, we're doing one on each of the videos that I have. Find the measure of an angle if the sum of its complement and supplement is 150. We have to find the measure of the angle. So what we'll do, we'll let x be the measure of the angle. So if x is the measure of the angle, it says the sum of its complement and supplement. So if x is the angle, then let 90 minus x be its complement. Complement adds up to 90, and we'll let 180 minus x be the supplement. Complements add up to 90, supplements add up to 180. So if we have an angle, we subtract from 90, we get its complement, subtract from 180, get its supplement. And it says the sum of the complement. So the complement is 90 minus x, add on the supplement, which is 180 minus x, and the sum of those two adds up to 50. Now 90 is degrees, 80 is degrees, 150 is degrees. So simplify this side, we get a negative 2x plus 270 equals 150. So negative 2x equals 150, that's degrees there, minus 270 degrees. So negative 2x equals negative 120 degrees. Divide by negative 2, and x equals, that's a 60 degrees. So the angle is 60. So let's check the complement. So what's 90 minus 60 is 30. What's 180 minus 60? 120. So if you add up the complement and the supplement, you get 150. So we just checked. And another word problem. 2,000 tickets were sold at a sports game, collecting $55,000. The adult paid $30. The teen paid $20. How many of each were sold? So what I do a lot of times is that I make up a box. And I show you what I mean now. So in the box we have tickets. So the tickets that we have, let's do this first. The tickets are the adult tickets. and the teen tickets. And so now what we'll do, we have to find how many of each were sold. So we'll say let X be the number of adult tickets sold, and so if X is the adults, then the teen tickets must be 2,000 minus X. And the price, so let's get the price of the tickets. How much does the price of the ticket? The adult ticket is $30, and the teen ticket costs $20. So that means if you sold this many tickets, so this is the amount of money that's collected. So the amount of money is $30 a ticket times X. So it's the price times the number. And then the amount of money collected from the teen tickets is $20 a ticket times the number that's sold. So this is the amount, again, $30 a ticket, X number of tickets, multiply. And $20 a ticket, 2,000 minus X, and that's the amount that's collected, or the dollar value that's collected. So they collected all together. So if I add, this is the amount of money collected for the adults. This is the amount of money that's collected for the teens, and together they collected $55,000. Again, this is in dollars now. So we remove the bracket. So 20 times 2,000 is 40,000. 20 times negative X, negative 20X. And we simplify here. 30X minus 20X is 10X, is equal to 55,000 minus the 40,000. So 10X is equal to 15,000. And we divide by 10. Dividing by 10, that cancels out. We get an X. And scratch 0, we get 1,500. X is the number of adult tickets sold. And so the teen tickets is 2,000 minus X. So 2,000 minus 1,500 gives me 500. So how many of tickets were sold? So we'll finalize that. So the number of adult tickets is 1,500 because that's X. And the number of teen tickets sold is 500. So if you multiply 1,500 by 30 and multiply 500 by 20 and add them together, you should get $55,000. So there's a mark for that. So that ends up a review on the first 5 videos, just a sample of each problem, just to make sure you're okay what you're doing. But you had to review the videos first to make, to help you a better understanding. If you like my video, click on the like button, click on the subscribe button. Visit my math website, www.mathfullyexplained.com, to find more information about me, my videos, and the content. That's the content that's on my YouTube channel called Math Fully Explained. Thank you for viewing my video. Hope the video was of some help to you. Bye-bye.